Hello and welcome to Eat Your Backyard. And this is just a quick request to my subscribers, to the subscribers to Eat Your Backyard. First, I'll mention that I've increased the releases to daily. I hope you've noticed. I appreciate all the comments that I've been getting. This is a great hobby of mine, and that is always appreciated when others are there with me. Also partnered with a seed company, so check the description if you need to get seeds. Got every kind of seed there is now available, and you have the link to that below. Also a lot of links to fruit trees that are available online. That's a good way to get them. Also, if you can get them at your nursery fresh and green, that's good too, but not everybody has that luxury. Okay, so the breaking news here is that I've started a new YouTube channel, which is really just more of an artistic expression or something that I enjoy doing, and the name of the channel is OneStepZen, and it's a channel where I video tropical sunrises, mostly at the end of my street, that happen, well, as it turns out, every single morning if you just get up and go down there. So I provide those with my DJI Mavic drone that produces super high definition video, and now I've started to branch out into doing the meditation videos, which I very much enjoy. I think there's a big tie-in between Eat Your Backyard and the idea of meditation. I mean, this yard, creating this fruit jungle, has been a meditation of sorts for me. This is a place I go for great tranquility and inspiration, so I think there's a lot of tie-ins. I just released a 15-minute meditation video where I fly the drone over about 50 sharks in a feeding frenzy, about 30 feet off the beach, 30 yards off the beach, which is pretty cool. And I use metaphor and some classic meditation techniques to guide you through a 15-minute meditation session that you could do anywhere, but you got to check it out to believe it. Really cool high-definition video. And when you see these sharks from above and 100-pound tarpon flying through the air like a guppy, it's something to behold, and it really is quite effective for meditation. So who would have thought that shark feeding frenzies and meditation are the perfect combination, almost like rice and sashimi. Okay, thank you for watching Eat Your Backyard. I appreciate it, and if you could go ahead and take a look at OneStepZen and give it a subscribe, I would appreciate it. We're going to have weekly sunrise releases as we move forward, so you can count on a weekly sunrise from now to, well, whenever. I don't know. I have videos already made to go out until December. So thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard.